Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Omar Jumlani. My report, the future of cybersecurity. The future of cybersecurity is undeniably artificial intelligence. Humans are incapable of performing detailed and repetitive tasks and will aid the automation of many cybersecurity tasks while also increasing detection, prevention, and anticipatory responses. Our security technologies that run continuous data analytic and monitored security event data can be detect new threat much faster than human. I will also play an important role in raising and alerting humans in real time about specific cyber risks. From new attack and techniques to technologies and defenses, cybersecurity is always changing. Still, our analysis have provide their best insight on what the future may hold. Looking at this calendar year and beyond. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Dr. Jesus Suman. I live in Masura, Sulu. My topic is the future cybersecurity. Quantum computers will be able to solve problems that classical computers are incapable of solving. This will benefit cybersecurity by improving encryption system as well as detecting complex cyber threats. Kami mangyari pa dito po na. The race become to the quantum all leaders has only president begin and government and corporations are making sign investment in the field. Recently, the United States Congress passed $280 billion technology bill with the majority of funds going toward semiconductors, quantum computing, and artificial intelligence. Kamurat maming gawin po ay rin dito kayo. Isa pa utan na ito.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mercedes Sulaiman. Computing and artificial intelligence. To return the password age, will they vanish? And I am afraid not. Wait. The declaration in the last year, perhaps more passwords than ever before. They will not go away anytime soon, but they will change. We will have more ways to authenticate without them, as well as the ability to combine them with other biometric data, a futuristic approach. Identification human values and cyber which is approaching for sharing system. This terms of privacy and security. In the future, we will be more like with embedded chip. The devices that will allow us to use alternative authentication in machines.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. I'm Al-Aziz A. Basri. My topic is the future of cybersecurity. The future of cybersecurity will be driven by constant innovation and the need to adapt to new challenge. AI will play a central role in defense and predictive analytic to force and mitigate potential threats. Ethical consideration and the development of AI. Governance frameworks will be crucial for responsibility technology use. Ano na to? Artificial intelligence, AI can automate tasks, detect threats, and respond to cyber threats in real time. AI powers systems can learn from attack and improve their detection algorithms. AI can also help identify vulni- vulnerable vulnerabilities and control access to systems. Businesses must stay ahead by embracing technologies and fostering a culture of continuous improvement, collaboration across interests and with governmentally agents will be vital in developing comprehensive cybersecurity stakes. By 2030, we can expect these technologies to be deployed integrate into security systems, offering unpredictable capabilities in threat detection, response, and prediction. Okay naman, thank you.